Infectious diseases are like uninvited guests. They're caused by tiny organisms that enter our bodies and make us sick. These invaders are called pathogens. They can spread from person to person, through contaminated food or water, or even from animals. Think of a time you had a cold or the flu. These are common examples of infectious diseases. These illnesses are often mild, but some can be very serious, even deadly. That's why understanding how to prevent and control infectious diseases is so important. It's about protecting ourselves, our loved ones, and our communities. Let's meet these tiny troublemakers, the pathogens. There are 4 main types: bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. Bacteria are single-celled organisms that live everywhere, even inside our bodies. Most bacteria are harmless, and some are even beneficial. But some, like those that cause strep throat, can make us ill. Viruses are much smaller than bacteria. They need a host cell to survive and multiply. Viruses are responsible for illnesses like the common cold, flu, and COVID-19. Fungi are multi-celled organisms that thrive in warm, moist environments. Athlete's foot and ringworm are examples of infections caused by fungi. Parasites are organisms that live on or in a host organism, drawing nourishment from it. Malaria, a serious disease spread through mosquito bites, is caused by a parasite. Infectious diseases can spread in several ways. Understanding these transmission methods is key to breaking the chain of infection. Airborne transmission occurs when pathogens are expelled into the air through coughs or sneezes, like with the flu or measles. Waterborne diseases, such as cholera, spread through contaminated water sources. Direct contact transmission happens when an infected person touches or exchanges bodily fluids with another person. This is a common way that colds and the flu spread. Vector-borne diseases are spread through insects like mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas. These vectors carry pathogens from one host to another. Malaria and Lyme disease are examples of vector-borne illnesses. Section 4. Fighting back our arsenal against infection. We're not defenseless against these microscopic foes. We have powerful tools to prevent and control the spread of infectious diseases. Vaccination is one of the most effective ways to protect ourselves and our communities from serious diseases. Vaccines work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of the pathogen into the body, triggering the immune system to produce antibodies without causing illness. Good hygiene practices are essential. Washing our hands frequently with soap and water, covering our mouths and noses when we cough or sneeze, and avoiding close contact with sick individuals can significantly reduce the risk of infection. Sanitation is crucial for preventing waterborne diseases. This includes access to clean drinking water, proper sewage systems, and safe food handling practices. Quarantine, or isolating infected individuals, is a long-standing public health measure used to prevent the spread of highly contagious diseases. By limiting contact with others, we can slow down or even stop an outbreak in its tracks. Section 5. Public health, our shared responsibility. Controlling infectious diseases is not just the responsibility of individuals, it's a shared responsibility. Public health measures play a vital role in protecting entire populations. Public health initiatives focus on preventing disease outbreaks through surveillance, education, and intervention. This includes monitoring disease patterns, promoting vaccination programs, ensuring safe food and water supplies, and implementing vector control measures. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the critical importance of a strong public health infrastructure. From contact tracing to widespread testing and vaccination efforts, public health measures were essential in mitigating the impact of the virus. By working together, we can create healthier communities and protect ourselves and future generations from the threat of infectious diseases.